Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss recombinant DNA technology biotechnology MCQs part 1b. The host cells for most plasmids is dash. Option A yeast, B E. coli, C plant cells, D animal cells. Correct option is B E. coli. The enzyme used to amplify DNA is option A DNA ligase, B Taq polymerase, C DNA helicase, option D RNA polymerase. Correct option is B Taq polymerase. DNA bends and gel electrophoresis are visualized using option A ethidium bromide, B Comessi blue, C hematoxylin. Correct option is A ethidium bromide. Subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from Ali Technologist. A shuttle vector can replicate in dish. Option A eukaryotes only, B prokaryotes only, C both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and option D viruses only. Correct option is C both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The first step in recombinant DNA technology is option A DNA ligase, option B isolation of DNA, C transformation, D cloning. Correct option is B isolation of DNA. Transformation efficiency increases with option A high salt concentration, B heat shock, C low temperature, D high pH. Correct option is B heat shock. Which gene is used as a reporter in LAC-Z based blue-white screening? Option A GFP, B beta galactosidase, C kanamycin resistance, D luciferase. Correct option is B beta galactosidase. Electroporation helps in option A protein synthesis, B DNA sequencing, C DNA transfer, D mutation repair. Correct option is C DNA transfer. Which of the following is an example of a biotechnology product? Option A insulin, B penicillin, C aspirin, D vaccine. Correct option is A insulin. Selectable markers confer option A gene expression, B drug resistance, C DNA synthesis, D DNA ligation. Correct option is B drug resistance. Southern blot detects option A DNA, B RNA, C proteins, D lipids. Correct option is A DNA. Which dye is used to visualize DNA in gel electrophoresis? Option A Comessi blue, B ethidium bromide, C methylene blue, D safranin. Correct option is B ethidium bromide. Electroporation helps in option A protein synthesis, B DNA sequencing, C DNA transfer, D mutation repair. Correct option is C DNA transfer. Selectable markers confer option A gene expression, B drug resistance, C DNA synthesis, D ligation. Correct option is B, drug resistance. ORI in plasmid enables option A, transcription, B, replication, C, transformation, D, translation. Correct option is B, replication. Which technique amplifies DNA? Option A, PCR, B, ELISA, C, STS page, option D, Northern blot. Correct option is A, PCR. Which enzyme cuts DNA? Option A, polymerase, B, ligase, C, endonuclease, D, helicase. Correct option is C, endonuclease. Plasmids are used as option A, vectors, B, enzymes, C, probes, D, primers. Correct option is A, vectors. Blue-white screening detects option A, gene expression, B, recombinants, C, mutations, D, DNA sequences. Correct option is B, recombinants. An example of a bacterium used in genetic engineering is option A, E. coli, B, bacilli, C, Staphylococcus aureus, and option D, Vibrio cholera. Correct option is A, Escherichia coli, E. coli. Which enzyme joins DNA fragments? Option A, helicase, B, ligase, C, polymerase, D, nuclease. Correct option is B, ligase. Which of these is a cloning vector? Option A, Taq polymerase, B, Pag19, C, RNA polymerase, D, exonuclease. Correct option is B, Pag19. Pag19 stands for P, plasmid, U, universal, C, cloning. 19 is the specific plasmid vector number. So, Pag19 is a type of plasmid vector which is most commonly used in molecular biology for cloning and gene expression. The temperature for denaturation in PCR is around option A, 37 degrees centigrade, B, 55 degrees centigrade, option C, 72 degrees centigrade, option D, 95 degrees centigrade. Correct option is D, 95 degrees centigrade. Sticky ends are generated by option A, DNA polymerase, B, restriction enzyme, C, DNA ligase, D, reverse transcriptase. Correct option is B, restriction enzyme. DNA ligase forms option A, hydrogen bonds, B, phosphodiester bonds, C, glycosidic bonds, D, peptide bonds. Correct option is B, phosphodiester bonds. Transformation is option A, uptake of foreign DNA, B, DNA replication, C, protein synthesis, option D, RNA splicing. Correct option is A, uptake of foreign DNA. Which technique separates DNA fragments by size? Option A, Northern blot, B, gel electrophoresis, C, Western blot, D, ELISA. Correct option is B, gel electrophoresis. The enzyme used to amplify DNA is option A, DNA ligase, B, Taq polymerase, C. DNA helicase. D. RNA polymerase. Correct option is B. Take polymerase. The selectable marker in PBR 322 is option A. ORI site. B. Antibiotic resistance gene. Restriction site. D. Promoter. Correct option is B. Antibiotic resistance gene. What does the term recombinant and recombinant DNA technology refers to? Option A. Altered RNA. B. Hybrid DNA from different sources. Option C. Mutated protein. Option D. Synthesized RNA. Correct option is B. Hybrid DNA from different sources. A common vector in genetic engineering is option A. tRNA. B. Plasmid. C. mRNA. D. rRNA. Correct option is B. Plasmid. The heat stable polymerase in PCR is extracted from option A. E. coli. B. Thermus aquaticus. C. Bacillus subtilis. Option D. Staphylococcus aureus. Correct option is B. Thermus aquaticus. A commonly used selectable marker is option A. Kanamycin resistance. B. Promoter region. C. Restriction site. D. ORI region. Correct option is A. Kanamycin resistance. The size of DNA fragments in a gel is measured in option A. Nanometers. B. Dalton. C. Base pairs. D. codons. Correct option is C. Base pair. Thank you for watching my videos.